sure that you have gotten something. Pizza, an Arabic manikish, burritos, rolls, or a croissant with a melted chocolate in it. And would you like to have some juice with it? Milk? Anything? Believe me, you will find it all here in موفق الحسن Konditoria. Yeah, of course I meant everything. I mean, do you have anything else in mind? You shouldn't have a doubt that you won't find it here, because it's all here with an incredible taste, which means in love and affection.